All right, so for this video, we are looking at Lesson 5 again, variables in code.org, and we're looking at one of the practice activities, and this is talking about debugging variable names. We're going to talk about how variable names and how we type them and use them are very important. So the program below is supposed to create the image on the right, but it's not working correctly. Can you fix it? So update the code to match the image. You do not need to add any new blocks. So if we run it right now, we actually get an error. Well, the reason for that is, and it says here, we can't figure out what X is. Perhaps you meant string X with quotes. So they're saying, oh, could this just be text that you meant to put in here? But actually, if we look at these very closely, and we'll get rid of this, this X and this X are not the same. While they're both X, this is a capitalized X, and this is a lowercase. So what we need to do down here is make this a lowercase x. And if we look at y, it looks like it's the same thing. It's a lowercase y up here, but it's an uppercase y down here. So let's make that lowercase. And if we were to run those, now it looks the way we want it. So you really just need to make sure when you do these variables that capitalization does matter. And if this is a lowercase, then you want to make sure you're using a lowercase down here, kind of like what they did with these two here. And if this one obviously is lowercase, you want to make sure the lowercase is right here as well. All right, hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.